Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to our Diwali assembly.
We would like to welcome you all and share with you this magic festival of light.
This year it will be celebrated on November 12th, and it begins a 5-day celebration.
It is a culture holiday celebrated by Hindus, Sikhs, and Buddhists.
Diwali can be anywhere from the mid-October to mid-November. The date changes because of the lunar calendar. Diwali occurs on the darkest day of the lunar month, which is the day of the new moon.
People light candles and lamps throughout their houses and along the streets to illuminate their surroundings.
They may also buy new colorful clothes or host friends and family to celebrate.
For Hindus, Diwali is a time for dana, charitable giving, and seva, selfless service.
Traditionally, people perform a deep cleaning of their homes before Diwali, as cleanliness is believed to bring you good luck.
Come on, you two. Hurry up with that cleaning. Get that dustpan and brush moving. Your mom will come home soon, and you know that she wants everything to be clean.
Ugh, I'm so tired. Why does everything have to be so clean?
It's November, and it's that special time of the year called Diwali. We have to decorate the house with tinsel and glittering objects to celebrate.
Dad, why are these little lamps called beavers? I don't know why they're named after little furry animals.
Not beavers, silly. They're called divas. Look, I'll spell it for you. D-I-V-A-S. You see? Well, let's carry on. I'll help. Right. Where's that green tinsel I need for the mantelpiece? Can you see it, children?
Well, I thought I saw it on a chair before, but it's not there anymore.
Yes, I thought I saw it there too. The mice must have eaten it. My word, you three have been busy sorting out the house for Diwali. The floor looks tidy. Mantelpiece is a bit boring though. Where is that tinsel we left on the chair? What is that on your bottom?
Oh, oops, it's the tinsel. It must have stuck to my seat of my trousers when I was helping.
More like when you're having a sleep.
Diwali is a celebration of light conquering over darkness.
People decorate their homes with all sorts of different lights.
Traditionally, people make these small lanterns from clay that are called divas.
We have made some divas of our own and decorate them with special patterns called rangoli.
Here you can see some of the divas we have made.
One of the traditional Hindu stories told at Diwali is the famous tale of Prince Rama and his beautiful wife Sita.
Once upon a time there was a great warrior, Prince Rama, who had a beautiful wife named Sita.
What a beautiful day.
Nothing compares to your beauty.
Come, let's continue.
Rama was the eldest son of the king. He was a good man and he was very popular with the people on his land. He would become king one day. However, his stepmother wanted her son to inherit the throne instead.
What are you so happy about?
You're enjoying this beautiful morning. Stepmother, how are you today?
Why do you care, Rama?
I won't be happy until that boy is gone.
I hope I didn't upset her.
You're a high manner. I would never upset anyone.
My dear, I've been to come from the gardens.
Did you enjoy your walk?
Unfortunately not, as the son was very rude to me. Again, he gloated about how he become king one day and threatened to have me banished to the forest.
Rama said that. No, he couldn't have done.
Are you saying that you don't believe your beloved wife?
I'm sorry, my dear. I'm getting too old and tired for this. What has going to that boy? For weeks you have told me about how boastful and mean he has become. Perhaps he will make a good king after all.
I fear the same.
Good morning, Father. Good morning, Your Majesty.
Rama, I must ask you why you have become so boastful lately. You showed me about how you will become king one day. This is not how a future king should behave.
What? I don't understand.
I thought you would make a kind understanding, but I fear you will not. I think there is somebody better to continue this important role.
But not everyone is cut out to be king, Rama. It's you. You have been putting ideas into my father's head, you horrible woman.
Enough! I've heard enough, Rama. There is no way to speak to my wife. I banished you to the forest for 14 years. By then, I'll be gone and a new king will rule. Leave immediately!
It is kind of you to travel with us, brother.
Father had made a terrible mistake. His thoughts had been poisoned by that woman. I know this forest well, and I can help you build a home.
We are forever grateful for your kindness, Lakshman.
The forest is a wild and dangerous place. Watch your step.
In the island of Lanka, there is a grand palace. In the palace lived a many-headed demon king called Ravana. Ravana was feared throughout the land.
I must find Sita and see her beauty for myself. She should be my wife as I am the most powerful, as people fear me so much, and rightfully so. I can't appear to her as my true self. I need a cunning.
Ravana, that's the one.
Yes, that's it. I'll disguise myself and capture her. She'll be mine forever. Rama, look, there's a fawn over there. Let's not scare it.
What a beautiful creature. This forest is filled with so much life.
Rama, please bring it back to me. I must take another look at its beauty.
Anything for my wife.
Excuse me, my dear. I'm a tired old man who's lost his way home. Can you help me?
Yes, of course I'll help you.
I don't think I could walk much further.
Come rest with me for a while, then I'll help you find your way. Don't worry. Ah! Rama, help!
Sita, where are you? Sita, the fawn disappeared into the trees. There was a struggle here. Wait, what's actually sparkling in the distance? Thank you for helping me in my search, brother.
Here's another piece, Mama. She must have left a trail.
Yes, it's definitely Sita's bracelet. Keep looking.
Rama, are you alright? You look very worried.
Hanuman, I am. Something is wrong. Sita's been taken from me.
Oh no, do not worry. I'll help. You're not on your own, Rama.
Hanuman flew off in search of Sita. He saw her trail of jewelry and followed it, hoping it would lead to the princess. The trail led him to Ravana's palace on the island of Lanka, across the stormy sea. Hanuman found Sita and assured her that she would be safe.
Sita, Sita, where are you? Sita!
Sita!
Hanuman, do you have news?
Yes, Sita has been captured by Ravana and is being held at his palace on the island of Lanka.
Ravana, the Demon King. Oh no, is she alright? Please tell me no harm has come to her.
She's well, but we must hurry. I assured her that we would return. Quickly, follow me.
I can't make it across there. It's too far. What are we going to do?
I would go ahead, but the water's too deep and the tide is too strong. I would drown, brother.
Now you can cross safely. Go. There isn't a second chance.
Rama, we must hurry. Thank you. How will I ever repay you, Hanuman? Ravana heard the intruders and a fierce battle began. Rama and his army fought against the demon for days until when Rama fired an arrow which killed Ravana. At last, Rama and Sita were united. Good had overcome evil.
Years have passed. Now let us return to our rightful home.
Which way do we go?
We must follow the lights. The lights will show us the way.
There are more lights along this path than there are in the sky.
The people of their homeland had also realized that 14 years had passed. It was a dark night, so they lit Diva lamps to show Rama and Sita the way back home. They had huge celebrations, and Rama and Sita were rightfully crowned king and queen. Hindus celebrate this every year, remembering the story of love and how good triumphed over evil.
Shine a light in every corner of my heart. Let the love light to carry. Let the love light to carry. Light up the magic in every little part. Let our love shine a light in every corner of my heart. Love, shine a light in every corner of my dream. Let the love light to carry. Let the love light to carry. Let the mighty river flowing from the stream. Let our love shine a light in every corner of my dream. And we're all gonna shine a light together. Oh, shine a light to light the way. Brothers and sisters, in every little part, let our love shine a light in every corner of our hearts. Love, shine a light in every corner of the world. Let the love light to carry. Let the love light to carry. Light up the magic for every boy and girl. Let our love shine a light in every corner of our world. And we're all gonna shine a light together. Oh, shine a light to light the way. Brothers and sisters, in every little part, let our love shine a light in every corner of our hearts.
All gonna shine a light together. All shine a light to light the way. Brothers and sisters, in every little part, let our love shine a light in every corner of our hearts. Shine a light in every corner of our hearts.
Thank you for coming to watch our Diwali assembly.
Make sure to light a candle when you go home to welcome in Diwali.